Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Thursday and I'm getting ready to go to work. It's 8 a.m. I am going to make some coffee right now and yeah, let's see what I take for breakfast. Later I want to stop by Home Goods and see what they have. I also need to grab some stuff from there, something. And yeah, I think I'm going on my break or when I get off from work. I'm making an egg omelet for my breakfast. And for my lunch, I made ground beef with sweet potato, so I'm just going to add some cheese and eat it with tortilla chips. This is going to be for my lunch and my breakfast is ready. just got out from Home Goods. I only got hand soap for the bathroom. One of my favorite soaps from Home Goods is this one. The milk and honey one. I only got this. They had a lot of stuff like for Valentine's Day and Easter. But I need to go back to work. I'm just getting home from work. Well, we're stuck in traffic. I think because people are getting ready for the storm this weekend. We're going to Aldi to get some groceries and then to the other store to get some stuff. Let's see how long we're stuck here. It's moving, but little by little. It's getting dark already. It's 5:30 p.m. Do you need help? Oh, it's so cold. I don't know where my gloves are at. Let's see. I think I have them in my bag. My hands are frozen. It's so cold. But we're getting ready for the storm tomorrow. I mean Sunday. It's supposed to start.
Pick me up at front.
It's supposed to start. What's happening? So the storm's supposed to start Sunday, early Sunday morning. There's someone behind me.
It's so cold.
I think it's going to be
Oh, it's starting to affect me.
1 foot, 2.
Yo ya aguanté mucho frío.
Let me see if I can get out from here. I can't see because my camera's dirty. I have to clean
She's
my
going
camera.
backwards.
I'll just go around.
Ahorita volteé esta.
Yeah, there's a lot of people at the grocery store right now.
Did you call me? You did.
Yeah, because I got lost. I couldn't find you. I just got home right now and I'm going to do a grocery haul of the things I got at Aldi. So I got these freezer gallon bags. It comes with 30 of them, and then some Waterloo melon. This is the melon medley flavor. Comes with 8 cans. I really like the one I tried the first time, the banana berry flavor. Some sweet potatoes, coconut water, 2 of these, flour, and then some corn muffin mix, chicken chunks. I haven't tried these. And again, some strawberry granola bites, milk, cereal, 2 boxes, some croissants. This time I got ground turkey. Last week I got the ground beef. And this is the frozen one. Some Greek yogurt. This is the tropical fruit blend. Some bars. And apple cinnamon muffin mix. Bananas. And right here I have some turkey links, turkey sausage links, blueberries, and maple syrup, this cranberry pomegranate juice, Swiss cheese, and turkey breasts. I'm also going to try this Italian seasoned chicken and see how it is. Some toothpaste, and I also wanted to try out these pea crisps. These are lightly salted. I haven't tried these from Aldi, and these have 5 grams of protein. I'm going to try them out and see how they taste. I stopped by Home Goods again, and I just went in quick, so I bought a small canister for the sugar because the one I had, it cracked from the bottom. And you can put the spoon here. It's very similar to the one I had. So this one is going to go, here. I need to get a different spoon for this, and this has to go because it's Christmas. I don't think this one fits. Oh wow. So I might just keep it like that. I'm going to wash some dishes from earlier today, and I need to wash this too.
I'm tired. I'm so tired.
I still have stuff to put away, but I'll do that tomorrow. I also want to, I haven't cleaned the microwave, so I'm going to be doing that, and also wiping the cabinets. And what else? Yeah, it's about to be, no, it is 11:08, and I'm going to end this video here. Hope everyone stays safe during the storm this weekend. I will see you in the next video. Bye.